the first fund back in 2000 till now, a lot has changed. The whole industry of biotechnology has changed dramatically. It's grown. It's got many new types of drugs that have been developed, many of them from companies that we have been involved with. The sector has really come into its own. Boston has become the real global hub for biotechnology. Just the level of excitement about what's even possible now, and the next generation and the next generation of drugs, as well as products in agriculture. The recent wave of AI advances really goes back 6 years. That's around the time we started out in exploring the application of AI with Generate Biomedicines. And from there, we've also expanded to doing AI for cell-based drug discovery, more broadly drug development using AI, a DNA-based use of AI in order to design new DNA, new lipid nanoparticles. We've proliferated across many, many different aspects of the life science kind of value chain. The thrust in partnering with pharma and others really is an opportunity we see to be able to have even more impact in a higher likelihood of success way than if we did everything on our own. Historically, over the last 24 years, Flagship has been very much attentive to partnerships as ways to get more products from our platforms to the marketplace, and also as a learning mechanism, because a lot of our companies are very small and they have a lot to learn. We've done partnerships throughout this time frame, but the scale, the discipline, the planfulness by which we're doing this, the scale at which we operate makes this even possible. I feel very strongly that over the next few years, this is going to increase by leaps and bounds. The scale that we've reached across our ecosystem of some 48 companies really creates a resource there that there's a lot of interest globally to find ways to link with and to try to create value together. And that has really gotten us to explore in the UK first, and then in APAC, particularly in Singapore. And these are our first forays outside of our geographically rather restricted ecosystem, Cambridge mostly, to now saying, how do we link this ecosystem with vibrant geographic ecosystems in Singapore, in South Korea, in Japan, as well as in the UK? We have in fact been adding to our leadership ranks, both through promotions and through additions. And this is really a testament to the fact that we continue to attract the best of the best. And in fact, they attract each other, because it's become a place where they are all feeling like, boy, I've worked with these kinds of people before, but not so many of them all at the same time. And I think that's a real attractant. And I'm very happy to see everybody trying to just continue to increase the caliber and the scale at which we're able to contribute to our companies. We are working on unlocking completely new solutions to patients. That is an interesting and unique imperative that propels us to try new platforms, new modalities of medicine, new fields of biology are also our obligation. So I think patients are now, and are going to in the future even more so, benefit from this team's willingness to do things that people have not done before and learn how to get them to succeed, and then have the impact that comes from them.